What's up guys, in this video, we will look at some of the best juicer under $200 on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. Breville Juice Fountain Plus Juicer. If you're looking to enter the world of juicing and want a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly juicer, the Breville Juice Fountain Plus Juicer in brushed stainless steel is a fantastic choice. This centrifugal juicer offers a range of features that make juicing a breeze, from its wide fruit chute to its dual-speed settings and easy cleanup. One of the standout features of the Breville Juice Fountain Plus is its unique extraction system. The juicer boasts a titanium-reinforced disc and an Italian-made micro-mesh filter basket, both constructed from durable stainless steel. This combination is specifically designed to extract the maximum amount of juice and nutrients from your fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get the most out of your produce. With the Breville Juice Fountain Plus, you can significantly reduce your prep time. The juicer features a generous 3-inch extra-wide chute feed, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for time-consuming pre-cutting. Say goodbye to the hassle of chopping everything into small pieces, and start enjoying your juice faster. When juicing certain fruits or vegetables, froth can be a common byproduct. This juicer comes equipped with an integrated froth separator in the juice jug. This feature helps you pour more juice and less froth into your glass, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable drinking experience. The Breville Juice Fountain Plus is designed with your convenience in mind. The power cord neatly wraps around the base's feet, keeping your countertop clutter-free. Additionally, the pulp container is detachable, making it easy to store the juicer when it's not in use. This thoughtful design ensures that the juicer won't take up unnecessary space in your kitchen. Number 2. Amschef Slow Masticating Juicer Machines. In a world where health-conscious individuals are seeking innovative ways to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into their daily routines, the Amschef Slow Masticating Juicer Machines emerge as a game-changer. With a focus on preserving maximum nutrition and delivering versatile functionality, this juicer is a must-have for your kitchen. The Amschef Juicer Extractor boasts a 7-spiral masticating system designed to extract the highest juice yield while minimizing oxidation. This results in juices that are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. This juicer can handle a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, including fibrous options like ginger, celery, wheatgrass, and oranges. While it can tackle a wide array of ingredients, it's important to note that nuts are not within its processing range. As you use the juicer, you might notice some sounds, which are perfectly normal and result from the machine's interaction with the food. Amschef doesn't stop at juicing, it transforms into a versatile kitchen appliance. Beyond juicing, this machine can seamlessly switch roles to become a meat grinder or slicer shredder. The easy attachment to the Amschef Juicer Hub allows you to make the most of this multifunctional device. This versatility can save you valuable kitchen space and enhance your culinary experience. One of the standout features of the Amschef juicer is its small feeder chute. This design choice allows you to remove seeds from your fruit before juicing, reducing any bitterness and enhancing the overall flavor of your juice. Moreover, this small caliber design is a safety feature, as it prevents children from getting injured during the juicing process. This user-friendly design promotes a family-oriented, morning ritual of making nutritious juices together with ease. Number 3. Jocko Slow Masticating Juicer. In a world that's increasingly health-conscious, the Jocko Slow Masticating Juicer stands out as a champion of nutrition, offering a convenient and efficient way to extract the goodness from your favorite fruits and vegetables. Jocko's juicer comes equipped with a soft/hard 2-speed mode, ensuring it can tackle a wide range of fruits and vegetables. The soft setting is perfect for juicing watermelons, oranges, grapes, celery, and more, while the hard mode handles ginger, carrots, beets, apples, kale, and similar items with ease. With Jocko, you can achieve juice extraction rates of up to 95%, minimizing oxidation in the process. A daily glass of freshly squeezed juice can become your source of essential nutrients, helping you maintain a positive mood throughout the day. The Jocko juicer boasts a cutting-edge 9-segment spiral system that can juice whole fruits and vegetables, maximizing juice output while retaining 95% of the nutritional value. This innovation significantly reduces foam, ensuring your glass of juice is packed with the wholesome goodness of fruits and vegetables. Jaka's Slow Juicer is the perfect choice for those seeking a green and healthy lifestyle. Running at less than 60 decibels, the Jaka Juicer allows you to enjoy a peaceful environment while juicing. It also features an intelligent protection core, automatically pausing operation every 20 minutes to ensure safe and prolonged usage. With Jaku, you can juice without disturbances and with peace of mind. Jaku has prioritized user convenience with a one-button disassembly design that allows you to take it apart in seconds. Additionally, the juicer comes with a reverse function, preventing clogs during the juicing process and making cleanup hassle-free. A cleaning brush is included for added convenience. You can even safely clean the juicer in the dishwasher, making post-juicing cleanup a breeze. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of Jaku's commitment. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. When it comes to enjoying fresh and healthy juices, the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is your go-to solution. This remarkable fruit and vegetable juicer not only simplifies the juicing process but also ensures you get the maximum juice yield from your favorite fruits and veggies. The Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is designed to make fresh, nutritious juice in seconds. Its stainless steel micromesh filter effectively strains away pulp and seeds, leaving you with smooth and flavorful juice every time. Whether you're craving a glass of orange juice in the morning or a nutrient-packed green juice for a midday boost, this juicer has you covered. One of the standout features of this juicer is its extra-large 3-inch big mouth chute. This innovative design allows you to add whole fruits and vegetables without the need for pre-cutting, significantly reducing your prep time in the kitchen. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to more time to savor your fresh juice. The 800-watt motor that powers this juicer is a true workhorse. It can easily handle a wide range of ingredients, from soft fruits like apples to tough greens like kale and even dense beets. The result? You'll enjoy maximum juice yield with less waste, ensuring you get the most out of your ingredients. The juicer's simple on-off button makes operation a breeze for users of all experience levels. The Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine isn't just about convenience during the juicing process. It also makes cleanup a breeze. The package includes a handy strainer, cleaning brush, and the pulp bin, juice bowl, lid, and pusher are all dishwasher safe. No more dreading the post-juicing cleanup. With this juicer, it's as simple as can be. Number 5. Elite Gourmet Juicer. The Elite Gourmet EJX 600 Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is a powerful, space-saving solution for those looking to extract maximum nutrition from fruits and vegetables. This cold-pressed juice extractor is designed to provide nutrient and vitamin-dense juice with minimal effort. The Elite Gourmet Juicer quietly operates at 70 RPM, ensuring a gentle mastication process that efficiently extracts deep nutrition from your chosen fruits and veggies. This slow and silent operation preserves vital nutrients and enzymes in the juice, making it a healthier choice for your daily refreshment. Powered by a corded electric source, it's a reliable addition to your kitchen. The juicer's tall feed chute is designed to accommodate a variety of fruits and vegetables. With the convenience of this feature, you only need to prepare hard produce to a 3/4 inch size, reducing the risk of jamming and making your juicing experience hassle-free. This smart design eliminates the need for extensive pre-cutting, saving you time and effort. Despite its compact size, the Elite Gourmet Juicer is built to last. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.